filtering is another way to look at data a little bit easier. So as with all data, you select your data first. I've got this data selected, and then I go to the Data tab to filter. And when I click filter, you can see that it added drop-down arrows. Let me cut off and watch again. It adds drop-down arrows under my header row cells. And what that allows me to do is to select what I want to look at. So let me go over here to items, and you can see that right now I'm looking at everything: binders, desks, pens, pen sets, and pencils. But maybe I just want to look at my binders or my pencils, let's say. If I click on select all, it will uncheck everything. That just makes it easier. Then I can click on pencil and say okay. And now I'm looking just at my pencil data. And I can see up here that that column is filtered. Now, one thing to be aware of is that if you're sharing this sheet with another person and you leave it like this, that's what they're going to see. The filtering stays. So I'm going to go back and take it off, and I'm going to do that by selecting all again and saying okay. So that gives it all back to me. If I wanted to select by teacher name, or in this case it's rep name, and maybe I want to look at the sales for Jones and Kibble, I can select both of them and say okay. And now I've got all the sales that they had. Or I can go back, select all again, and take it off and say okay. To get out of filters, I just click on it a second time.